welcome to another video of mine. So guys, as you may have seen in my last video, which was showing of you guys all of my slimes. So guys, I told you guys in the end of the video, if you like that I might be soon making a new video of teaching how to make slime. And yeah guys, so today I'm here to show you guys how to do that. So to get started guys, when I film, I'm going to be facing the table, okay? So I'm not going to be showing today. And give it a like today in the video. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have ever made slime. If you haven't, but you have the materials and ingredients, but it never works and it never turns into slime, just watch my video because I'm going to be teaching you today. So to get started, I'm going to put 4 glues here, and my friend is going to be mixing it for me, and I'm going to close my eyes and pick one, okay? So we're going to give it a pause, we're going to mix it, I'm going to be with my eyes closed, and then I'm going to pick, okay? So in 3, 2, 1, we're going to pause. Hi, so everyone, I have my eyes closed with my doll's dress, and my friend mixed it for me, and I'm going to be picking. Is it here? Where is it? Is it 4 of these? Okay, I think it's, okay. Okay, I think that's the white glue because I can feel it. Did any of them fall? Okay, now I want to pick between both of these. Okay, I'm taking this. Yay! I got the green glue. Let me put that there. So now guys, let's start the video. Come over. So that was messy. I kept on trying to pick them. So guys, here I got this Elmer's washable color glue. It's kind of like this tealy green. It's super cute. Now I'm going to be opening it, if I can. Okay, there you go. Okie dokie. Got it. See the color? It's super nice. Now I'm going to be pouring just a little bit because I don't want to make a lot of slime. You can add, oh, and here's another slime. I put water on it so like it can melt a little so it's not that hard. So guys, you can add as much of glue as you want. I'm going to be adding, let's see. Let me get the spoon. There you go, that much. Because I'm going to be adding shaving foam, and you don't really need to, the shaving foam will make it grow. So here you go. This is gel shaving foam. And yeah, it turns into shaving foam when you start mixing. So here you go. Woo! So nice. Guys, sorry about the background. My brother and my sister just came home. So if you hear anything, yeah, that's my sister. But yeah, and here, now, guys, I'm gonna tell her that we're filming and then I'll be back, okay? Guys, sorry, I told my sister that we're filming, and as I said, we are now mixing, and my sister's here. Come, you can come in the video. Come. So my sister's gonna be my little helper, but Julia, we have to stand here, and come on. So today, as I said, we're gonna be filming from here, and yeah. So Julia, what color is this?
Green.
Yeah.
And we have all of these colors to make slime.
Yeah. Now, Julia, I'm gonna be taking one color and
I want pink.
later. We can do that later, but can you add for me a little bit now? Add a little bit.
Add a little bit.
Thanks for your help, Julia. I'm gonna call you later again, okay? You can wait. Okay. So now guys, my sister Julia has just helped me, and I'm gonna be mixing again. It is so nice. And guys, I'm gonna take a little bit of water from this slime. And I'm gonna be adding it. Do you like it, Julia?
Yeah. And can you put some pink?
Yeah, we can add that to this slime later.
And can we make one more slime?
Later. Guys, this is the activator that I use, Perseal, because here where I live, we don't have borax.
If we don't use it, the slime will not work.
Yeah, so you need borax, Perseal, or any activator.
And we need a glue.
Yeah, so yeah, you need glue, shaving foam, or water.
And we need a spoon
Yeah,
to mix.
and a bowl.
And a bowl.
So guys, I'm just taking from the corner.
And some colors. To
Yeah,
put on the
pink,
slime.
whatever. Now,
And
guys,
we need to use our hands to remove the slime of the spoon.
Julia's so cute, isn't she?
And
Okay,
I
so
just
guys,
have bubbles
I'm gonna
in
mix,
my
and when I stop mixing, I'm gonna start filming again because this might take a little while. So, and like, oh, it's starting to come fast. So guys, sometimes the slime does take a little while to mix, but today it didn't, so that's good.
And you all the time
Look,
need to
guys,
put.
look at this beauty. It's so nice.
We all the time we only can use a little bit of the perfume.
Because it is very strong, so it might overactivate. Same thing with borax.
We only need to use this tiny.
So guys, here you go. I'm all done, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned how to make slime. Slime also does fart noises, by the way. And yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video.
And when we finish, we'll make another one.
Yeah, and guys, when you finish, always put it in a bowl, and don't let children under 3 or little
Don't
kids
let
play with
them-
slime because they could put their hands in the mouth later. And guys, the safety tip is to, after you play with slime, wash your hands because it has soap, you know. So yeah.
And you don't let baby use the slime because they will eat.
Yeah, and guys, here you go, and the slime is all done, and let's do a ASMR photo. So cute! And guys, as you can see, the slime is super cute with little glitter. And now let's say bye to the YouTube family, and let's
The
go.
YouTube family and to the kids.
Let's say bye. Bye guys, and bye from